Hi guys, karibuni sana to my channel. My name is Mercy Kyando. For those who are new, karibuni sana. So happy Good Friday, by the way. So I hope you are enjoying with your family and chilling at home as usual, because after all you're supposed to self-isolate yourself. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a crochet style video, which is going to be a twa, which is tapered cut. Yes, so I'll be using the Selfie hair from Darling, and I'll be using one strand to produce 4 strands. So nitakata mara mbili like I'm showing you right now. So nitakata that once, and then nitakata tena the last part hiyo hapo, as you can see hapo. Yeah, so after showing you how to cut it, I'm going to basically cut all the hair. By the way, this hair niliwahi tumia one batch of it. It's one pack. One batch of it nilitumia for a bun, and then the other one I nilika tu hivyo. So yeah, that's why unaona hapa yani like the hair inaonekana kwamba iko like all over the place. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing. So I'll be showing you just me cutting the hair. So before I start crocheting my hair, normally if you have dandruff, you have flaky scalp, you have dry scalp, you have itchy scalp, always use the anti-dandruff's hair food from TCB Naturals. That's the one I'm using anyway, so that's the one I like anyway. So yeah, I have flaky, which tends to be, I have dry scalp, which tends to be flaky and itchy at the same time. So yeah, kwa wale marafiki zangu ambao tunapitia the same situation, don't forget to do this part. So especially if you want to stay with your hair for your protective style for longer. And also there's one thing that if you're using synthetic hair ina preserviwa na chemicals ambazo zinafanya our scalps ziwe itchy, which I'm going to be talking about in another video, so don't worry. Yeah, so basically that's the reasons why I use this hair food. Yeah, so I make sure that the hair food is evenly, yani imepakwa all over the scalp, hata hapo katikati kama unavyoona, especially hapa panakuaga itchy. Yeah, so that's what I did. And after doing that, I massage, like sort of like massage, yeah, something like that. And then I'm going to be starting, nitaanza tu crochet. And there's no method kwenye hii style. All you have to do is that ili hii style itoke vizuri, when you're crocheting, make sure they are as close together as possible, not as before. They're as close as possible. Yani kama unaona kama kwenye line inapopanda juu inavyoenda juu hivyo hiyo line, hizo nywele ziwe as close as possible. That is the only trick to this style. Another thing is you can choose kuto kukata your hair. But for me, I didn't want to waste the hair, and plus secondly the main one, which is I'm putting it second, ni kwamba sikuwa na nywele, nilikuwa na 1 pack only. Ningekuwa na 2 baby ningeweza kuna kuweka ziwe ndefu, and then the tapered cut ingekuja labda maybe kubwa kidogo, but even this nikakata tu ili so that nisi waste nywele, mainly that. So right now nimemaliza, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start styling, or rather estimate the kind of style that I want, and I'm going to tie the part where I'm not gonna cut with the hairband, and then nianze kukata hizo on the sides because it's a tapered cut. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Anyways, I hope you've loved this video, and until next time guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and share to people that you feel like would love such kind of video. Yeah, so, and thank you guys for tuko 400 subscribers. I'm sure tutafika. So yeah, so until next time guys, enjoy this video, and I hope you love this hairstyle. And if you're going to try it, please try and then tag me on Instagram. My handle is mercy_the_virgin, and plus itakuwa kwenye description box. Najiplug mwenyewe. Anyways, have a nice time.